Hi, welcome back. My name is Danielle. I'm Miss Happy Housewife, and I'm here to teach you that there's no such thing as a perfect housewife, just a happy one. So for the past few days, we have been building up our routines, and we have built up a morning routine and an evening routine. Now, if you haven't been following along with us, then go ahead and click the link that's going to be up there, and that'll take you to the very first video. This is a process, and I don't want you all to think that you haven't got something down that we're gonna blow right past you. No, my suggestion is that you start from the last video you were at where you weren't able to go and get that routine and play that until you do. So today we're going to add our very last thing to our routines. It is actually part of our evening routine. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this day started, and I'm gonna do that by first making the bed. I'm already dressed to shoes, so I'm gonna make the bed. All right, so now that the bed is made, I'm gonna go ahead and get a head start on emptying out the dishwasher. Swallowed in secret, said to myself, there's no one else. Ice cold showers, counting the hours, still. I need to still do the swish and swipe inside the bathroom. I'm going to tackle the downstairs bathroom so you can see that one. And, you know, some people have been asking, what am I using as like a wipe or something? I'm actually using shop towels. I'm kind of experimenting with what I'm using, but I find it has some durability to it, and it's also disposable. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the bathroom. So I'm still doing my hot spots, and no matter what, there's gonna be a hot spot that needs to be cleaned. And I do have a small one that is over here by my couch, so I'm gonna go ahead, get that cleaned up. It may not even be 2 minutes because there's not too much there, but I'm gonna clean it up. So what we're gonna add to our evening routine is we're going to check our calendars for what's gonna happen tomorrow, and we're going to put all of those things by the launch pad. That way, you're ready to go. You already know what you're gonna wear for the next day, and you'll be prepared. So I'm gonna go ahead. I do have one thing on my planner, and let me go ahead and get all that stuff over to the launch pad.
I think about you all the time, so I pretend. See you in the mirror every now and then. Every night I'm back into your arms.
So I'm gonna be cooking dinner, and then after that's done, I'm going to load the dishwasher, shine my sink, wipe down my counters, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we are going to be building our first control journal, and we already have some stuff to put in it. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.